Do you know who is this guy on the screen? I'll give you 3 seconds to guess. Okay, so he is Jensen Huang, who is a co-founder and CEO of NVIDIA, which has now become the $1 trillion company. Jensen is a Taiwanese American billionaire business magnate. He is also an electrical engineer and a very famous philanthropist. These days, he is in Taipei, which is the capital of Taiwan, to give a commencement speech at NTU. And I would highly suggest that you listen to his speech on YouTube if you get a chance. And in this video, I'll give you very quick insights from his commencement speech, which I find very useful. First and foremost, Jensen says that we are at the beginning of major technological era, just like PC, internet, mobile, and cloud. And he thinks, and I fully agree with him, that AI is far more fundamental. He also says that AI will create a lot more jobs like prompt engineering, AI factory operations, and AI safety engineers, just to name few, and many others which we still even don't know. He also says that AI will change every job, which includes supercharging the performance of programmers, designers, artists, marketers, and manufacturing planners. He also says that while some worry AI may take their jobs, someone who is expert with AI will. Then he says that the world was simpler when I graduated college, but now the things have changed, and I totally agree with you. Okay, and then he also gives NVIDIA's purpose, which is to help the Einstein and Da Vinci's of our time to do their life's work, which is quite big, but I think true enough. And then he says that NVIDIA almost died in its first year, but they just kept going on, and also they worked hard and they remained humble, and now they have reached this position where they are the market leader and sort of own the monopoly when it comes to GPUs. So he also mentioned AlexNet, which was trained on GPUs of NVIDIA, and then which basically ushered this era of AI, which happened, which started happening around 2012. Okay, and lastly but not least, the key takeaway was that every industry will be revolutionized. So we need to run after AI instead of just thinking about it or walking towards it. And as for this photo, he said that either you are running for food or you are food. So be a hunter instead of getting hunted. And just to make sure, this photo is from the credit is from CW Lin, who posted it on the Twitter. And credit to you, Lin, for this photo. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this short video about Jensen. If you have any insights, please put them in the comment section. Thank you.